Hello everybody, welcome to this new video. Please make sure to complete the video to the end because you're gonna miss a lot of things if you didn't complete the video to the end. So, if you have a YouTube channel, website, anywhere that you post a video on it and you face the problem of the big size, this video is your best solution. I'm gonna explain to you how you can reduce the size of the video with more than 80%. So let's jump into it. Hello everybody and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to explain you how to use Handbrake. First of all, what is Handbrake? Handbrake is an open source video transcoder available for Linux, Mac and Windows. Everyone can use Handbrake to make videos for free. Handbrake is a post-production tool. Its primary purpose is to convert videos from supported source formats to MP4 or MKV format. But today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Handbrake to reduce the size of your video. For example, you record a video or you shoot a video with your camera, and when you finish the video, you find that the size of the video is more than 1 gigabyte or 2 or 3 or whatever. And when you want to post it on YouTube, it's gonna take from you a long time. So in this case, you must use a Handbrake to reduce the size of your video. First of all, you're going to download this software that is Handbrake. So if you use Mac, you're going to click in this button download for Mac. But if you use Windows like me, you're going to download it. But before download it, you should know how much bit available on your Windows. And to know that, you're going to type here to search and type PC. After you type PC, it's gonna show you this icon. You're going to click on the right side of your mouse and properties. After you click on the properties, here you will find the bits of your Windows. If you find 32, you should download 32 bits Handbrake software. But if you have this 64 bits like me, you're going to download it like that. So after you downloaded the software, you're going to install it in your Windows. It is a really simple, just next and then finish, and then you're going to type here to search and click in the right Handbrake. Then you're going to open this software. This is the workshop of Handbrake. So I'm going to choose a random video and I'm going to reduce its size, and we're going to see what will happen right now. Here I'm going to reduce this video. As you can see, the size of this video is 155 megabytes. And to know that, just click on it like that. It will give you the size of your video right here. As you can see, 155. And when I will go to the Handbrake software, I will open a single video file. If you have just one video, you're going to click in this icon. But if you have more than one video, 2, 3, 4, 10, you're going to click folder to reduce a lot of video, better than reduce one by one. So in my case, I'm going to reduce just one video. So I will click on file. Where is my video? My video in this local disk D. So the video is game. Like that. Here it shows you the preview of the video. So what I should do to reduce the size of the video? So you will check this. Web optimize it. You will check it like that. And then you will go to the video. Here you will find quality. So if you want to reduce the size of the video, you should reduce a little bit the quality of the video. I'm not telling you that the quality of the video will be bad. No, the quality will be the same, but a little bit it will reduce the quality of your video. So you will find it in 22, and what you're going to do is you will swipe this to 25. Then we reduce the quality, the image of the video. And we should also reduce the audio, the sound of the video. Here 116. You will reduce it to 112. Like that. This is what I do when I want to reduce a video size. It's just these steps. Then you will click browse. Here you will browse and you will choose the path of your new video. The last video here and the new video here. The video that will reduced. The video with the low size. So I'm going to save it here with the last video. Save. And the last thing that you're going to do is start encode. Here it told you the process of your video encoding pass 7%, 8%. We going to wait until it reached 100 per 100%. And here we go. It finished. So I will close this software and I will find the video here. The magic, if you select the video, you will find 155 megabyte. But if you select the new video, you will find 11 megabyte. So you can see the magic that just happened here. So if you have a YouTube channel, a website, anywhere you should post videos and you have the problem of the big size, here is the solution. Just you should follow some steps to reduce the video. So if you like the video, please click like, share it with your friends, follow, and goodbye.